Hello friends, once again I welcome you in my YouTube channel Veneser CSNIP, and this time I am going to make this video for 11th class for both computer science and IP students. See, I am continuing my series for Python Starter Pack. In the previous video we made a program to add two numbers with different approaches. Today we are going to make a different program, and I'm just starting the program without delay. So ideally, here it is. Let me resize it, and now I'm going to make a program. Obviously I'm going to use the script mode. This is interactive mode or Python shell. So I'm clicking file, and I want to make a new file here, and this time we are going to make a program to display the validity of a voter, whether a particular person is a valid voter or not. Obviously for this we are going to use the age of the person, and if it is 18 or more than 18, then obviously he is a valid voter, otherwise he is not. So I'm going to take a variable age, and I'm going to use int here. You know why this int is required, because if I am not doing so, it would become a string. So using a function here input, and then we do right here enter the age. That's it, enter the age of a person. Understood? And now for the first time we are going to use if over here, which we'll be doing in detail, but this time you are coming to know how to apply conditions through if we can do it. So I'm using if here, and I'm going to check age, whether age is greater than equal to 18. Then I'm going to put a colon over here, and colon means if this condition gets true, all the statements which are coming here with some space, that is called indentation, will be executed, right? So if the age of a person is either 18 or more than 18, then he is a valid voter. So I'm just printing a message here, print valid voter. That's it. And not only this, I want to write one more statement, that is print you can vote. So whenever this condition gets true, or in simple words, whenever the answer of this condition comes in yes, these two statements will be executed. Why so? Because these two statements are under the indentation of this condition. Okay. Now there is a situation, there may be a situation when age is not 18 or more. For that we are going to use else over here, and else a colon, then we press enter. So else is also a statement which supports indentation. It means if age is neither greater than 18 nor equal to 18, means it is below 18, then we are going to display a message over here, print invalid voter, followed by print please wait. What does it mean? What does it mean? It means please wait, still there is some time to be a valid voter, so please wait. So we are going to display two messages here for else and two messages for if condition gets true. So it is as simple as that. Whenever this condition age is greater than or equal to 18, in this case it will execute these two statements: print valid voter, print you can vote. And whenever this particular condition is getting false, means the answer is a no, it will come to else, and these two statements would be displayed. Now I'm going to write here print another message by. Now see, by is neither for the indentation of if nor for else, so it is out of this if. What does it mean? It means no matter whether condition is true or false, this particular statement will be displayed anyhow for both the cases, whether age is greater than or equal to 18 or less than 18. Right, now let us run this program. I'm saving the file. I'm saving it for the first time, so it asks for the name. I'm typing it as voter and I'm saving it. Okay, so now it is saved. I can run my program by either directly pressing F5 function key, or I'll click run and here I'll type run module. Well, so it is asking for the age. Age I am giving 12. See what happens. Obviously you just check it out. You're giving age as 12. Is 12 greater than or equal to 18? So answer is an no. So it will come to else and it will show the message invalid voter, please wait. And yes, it is showing the message invalid voter, please wait. Right, but by is coming. Okay, now I'm running it once again. So run module. This time I am typing in age as 25 and let us see what happens. It gives me valid voter, you can vote. So what happened actually, it asked for the age from here and the age was 25 as we type. So this 25 is either greater than or equal to 18. Yes, it is not equal to 18 but greater than 18. So one of the condition must be true. So 25 is more than 18. So this particular condition is true. So all the statements which are coming under the indentation of this if will be executed. So these two statements will be executed and it will show you valid voter, you can vote, valid voter, you can vote, and this time it is not going to else because either it will do this or this. Cannot take both group of statements. It will take either this or this. But ultimately it will come to this place, print by, so it is giving the answer as by. So friends, it was a program to find out whether a particular person is a valid voter or not. So here we used a condition using if, and I used a very simple format of if, that is called if else format, which you will be doing in detail when it would come in the syllabus and the flow. So you wait till that point of time, but now you have an idea. We'll go through this particular topic, this particular program under the topic control structures. So there we'll be doing this if in detail. So here it is. Now I'm doing one more thing. Let us see what happens. So I'm doing this. Just check it very carefully. The second print which I have given here under if, I am removing its indentation by setting cursor here in front of P and I am pressing backspace. This time your Python interpreter will get confused. How come? See, if condition is true, by the way, okay, just supposing, it will display print valid voter, and if condition is false, it will display invalid voter and please wait. So when will be this particular statement executing? Never in the lifetime of this program. So it is actually placed in a wrong manner, and Python will report it as an error message. So I'm running it now. What happens? Let's check it out. Source must be saved. Yes, we made some changes here, so we are supposed to save it, and I'm saving it, and you know, it is showing me invalid index. So it is not showing rather an error at the shell, rather it is showing me an error here only in the script mode itself. What? Invalid syntax. It is invalid. So for interpreter, else has no point, because what is this print all about? So this E is highlighted because of print is something wrong. So actually you're not supposed to make changes with this else, rather the line which is preceded by it needs to be updated. So I'm doing OK here, and again I am just keeping it under indentation by simply pressing, you know, tab key, saving it again, run it, and works fine. I'm giving 34. Oh yes, it is valid voter. You can vote by. This time these two statements will be executed, these two will be ignored because this condition was true. Again running it for you, run module, and giving age this time 14 years, which is actually getting false here, because 14 is neither greater than 18 nor equal to 18, so this condition is false, so it will come to else case. So these two statements will be ignored, and it comes here and it displays invalid voter and please wait. Let's check it out. How come? Yes, invalid voter, please wait. So this is how this particular program is also done. I meet you now in my third video, where I'll teach you something more about maybe if else or maybe about loop, because here I'm just giving you an intro about core Python programming. So there are so many things which you came to know, like if supports a condition, you know about the indentation, and also you know if things are wrongly placed here, it will report error message, right? So all these things will help you out in understanding concepts while actually you'll go through Python programming. So this is just a starter pack, second video. Just keep on watching, and I just meet you in my next video. For this I'll tell you one more thing. I'll keep all these programs in description area. You can just copy paste from there, so that it will save your time. You really don't require to type in the whole program. So from description area, just copy paste the program and run it. So I meet you very soon with my third video in the Python starter pack for class 11 for both computer science and IP. So till then, take care, keep on watching,